Brian. Oh, it's not on. Now we're on. Brian, taking the Lay's. He has Lay's chips, man. Peanut butter on the Lay's.
I don't know if it's gonna be good.
Never tried before. Oh. How is that? As good as the Ritz? Worse?
Tastes like a Lay's with peanut butter.
That's the standard response.
That's better though.
Cool.
What else should we try? Nope, wrong one.
Cereal. Ooh. Wheat Doritos. They're not.
Normal chips. And salsa.
Skittles.
Dude, let's do salsa on random chips.
On random chips? That's no fun. How about... I don't know.
Dude,
Marshmallows and peanut butter.
Did you like against it? It'd be fun.
That salsa is so spicy, you will like... you will want to die.
Let's do salsa on...
Hot. It should say... Where is it? It should say... Far beyond hot. Because it hurts.
Let's just say normal chips.
Normal chips and salsa, what's so funny about that?
No.
You gotta put like salsa in your cereal.
Because you're gonna eat it with like a ton of salsa on it.
I'm not eating it.
Yes, you are.
It's gonna hurt.
You're gonna get like a chip
It's
and fill it up with salsa.
It's gonna be painful. My mouth will be
You're
bruised.
gonna put like a gallon of salsa on one chip.
I don't know if you realize that it took me about 10 minutes to recover from that.
Yeah.
We're setting this here aside because...
But then all your family will love you.
Make macaroni and cheese and put that in it instead of the like butter. Oh, that'd be gross.
Come on, the fans will love you.
My fans already do love me.
No, they don't. Not unless you eat this chip with like 10 pounds of salsa on it.
We should see what we're doing here.
It's probably not very good.
It's too dark. You got lights?
Yeah.
You got lights like a boss.
Is that working now?
Peanut butter on a cracker.
No, dude.
It's too good.
No, you need to get a chip.
Peanut butter, salsa, and jelly.
Okay.
Terrible idea.
Okay, eat this.
Maybe. You should eat it first so I can see the
I'll
side
eat it.
effects.
Okay.
Eat one.
This much. Look at that.
Yeah, they don't realize how potent this salsa is. It is the painfulest salsa ever. Peanut butter jelly cracker. Ah!
That's pretty spicy.
Alright, I got it.
You do it.
I'm gonna regret this.
It's not bad until you stop.
Oh, I have to stop. Where's my water? I gotta get ready. Gotta put the fire out, man.
There you go.
Is that a lot?
Yeah, fair enough.
Side effect is coming. How do you not drink something like this? Why are you? Ow. Try like not going without drinking. That hurts.
Yeah, we could do that. See if it goes longer.
It tears away at the inside of your mouth. Like those mucous membrane things or whatever are gone. I don't have senses on the top of my mouth anymore. We put like gas in there. You can see how flammable it is. Make a nice drink with some pepper.
No, that'd be quite gross.
We've been filming for like 4 minutes and we haven't been doing much action, so we should turn it off. Unless we're going to do some action. I must say, I'm still a big fan of the peanut butter on Ritz. Big fan.
We got like a whole buffet going. Oh, I can't see. Oh, here's a spider.
Give that and some salsa.
We found it in the pool.
Hey, what if you got a cookie and dipped it in salsa? It would ruin the cookie.
Try it.
I feel bad for ending the cookie's life in such a terrible way. It would just be wasted eating the cookie. Dude, I like this. Grits and peanut butter and jelly. This is really good, kids. It's like what Martha Stewart does or something. I'm Martha Stewart. Let's eat some food. No, it's like Rachel Ray.
Okay, are we done with this or what? Soy sauce.
Mmm.
That would not be
Naturally gross. Yeah, we're kind of done with this one.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.